Friends, Nokia is a famous Finnish smartphone manufacturing company, and Nokia company's mobiles are very much liked by the people in the global market including USA. Now in such a situation, Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone, whose name is going to be Nokia X Max 5G. Now even before the launch, some of its features have been leaked online. According to the leaks, you are going to get a 200 megapixel DSLR camera setup in this smartphone, that too at a very low price. If you also want to buy this great smartphone, then watch this video till the end. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia X Max 5G. Nokia's this smartphone is going to be a very attractive looking smartphone. This smartphone has a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, in which you will get the protection of Gorilla Glass 7. Apart from this, the resolution rate of this display is 1440 x 3200 pixels, on which a refresh rate of 120 Hz has been given. Camera setup. You have been given a triple camera setup in this great smartphone. In this you are going to get a great DSLR primary camera of 200 megapixels. Apart from this, it will have two camera setups of 32 megapixels and 16 megapixels. And the smartphone has a 64 megapixel front camera setup for selfies and video calling. Processor. Talking about the processor, in this phone you have been given Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 octa-core processor. And if we talk about the operating system, you can see Android 15 in it. Battery backup. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a powerful lithium polymer battery of 7500 mAh, with which you will also get 120-watt fast charger, due to which you will be able to fully charge it in just 25 minutes. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price, then the price of the starting variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage is expected to be around $600. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it,